Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Okay, so we casually just went out at 6 o'clock in the rain and snow just to record a video. Hopefully the guards don't catch us. It's fucking freezing. Ooh. Have you started? Yeah. Say hello. I know. I don't know if you can see this. No, you can't see the snow. Anyways, I'm gonna catch up with you later. Okay, pretty much we just wasted the entire 20 minutes deciding which way to go. We were trying to go to the canalway, but it was race and my twin was complaining about wet socks.
Patrick was, I wasn't.
Oh, you're not my twin, are you?
No, you said two of them.
No, I said twin.
Okay.
Anyways, now we're gonna go this way and then down, and then into train tracks. Yeah. Okay, go. Getting down here. Okay. My turn, even though it's like, oh no.
Here, do you want me to hold it?
No, this is like so a small kind of thing. I think I'll probably slip or fall.
Do you know what's funny is we're doing all this and it's like a path right there. all for the views.
They don't understand.
Come on, Magic, hurry up! I'm fucking freezing.
I'm gonna slip.
I don't care. Just do what I did.
Oh.
I missed the bit where you put up your hand.
Oh. Take a slip test. Okay, now we're going this way and then to the train tracks. They actually started work, which is, well, not surprising, but still. It's like,
what's that in there? Is that like a warehouse or something?
it's something at least.
No shit.
Oh, a burst pipe. No wonder I have no water. I do need to drink that.
No, I'm a plumber. I'll fix it.
No, don't. You're gonna break it more. This is sketchy. Why did you so all grunt? You just walking, seeing 3 lads at 6 o'clock. Well, at 6 AM. There's loads of leaves here and shit.
It actually looks like a fucking zombies map, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna be a jump scare, Patrick.
No. We're not close enough.
You know I can't even see you.
Stand up there then or something.
How would that make any difference?
I don't think it was like half an hour. Get from there to here.
Well, let me just get my flashlight.
Imagine if the lake rolls over.
Okay, now I can see you.
Okay, tell us when you're recording.
It is recording.
Oh. Ah, my fucking eyes! Ah! Ah!
The smoke of this, okay.
Finish.
Okay, let's keep walking, I guess. Okay, who's first?
It's
a little hill, but it's fucking slippy because of the snow.
Fuck it, I'm a mad bastard. I'm a mad bastard.
It doesn't look dangerous at all.
Oh, shit.
Okay, your turn.
Ah, shit.
He just slipped straight away.
Oh, it's so wet. There's nothing different now. If I catch me. No! Fine.
It's not ground.
Slenderman.
What?
Come on, Patrick.
Slenderman Real Edition.
To push down.
Oh my god, it's so fucking slippy.
Remember last time we were here, it was actually fine. Now it's like fucking. We can walk in peace. Doesn't want to get our feet off.
Yeah.
They're slippy as fuck though.
Patrick fell, as you can see. Fucking one ass cheek is wet.
And me.
Okay, I'm gonna record when we get there. It's a bit brighter now. If I probably turn around, I'm gonna get killed because I'm like the last one. It's really fucking dangerous. If I slip, I'm gonna like die. Okay, so this isn't really interesting yet. We're gonna get back when it gets interesting. Well, this is gonna be something to show.
I walked across a wire or something like that.
Okay, so we're walking ahead of Patrick and he kind of disappeared. He better be hiding. Damn.
It's actually funny, would you ever watch videos and think this is fake and shit? We actually can't fucking find them.
Where's the chap?
Comment down in the comment section if you can actually see him in the ditch, because we can't. He needs glasses, not colourblind. Patrick, your bag is open.
And close it.
How the fuck?
Where did the chap go?
I'm afraid he's going to be like right behind me. He's like going to creep up me. Okay, Patrick, fucking stop.
Yeah.
It's not even funny. Come on, it's getting bright. What the fuck? It's like no way he's going in there. Like he's a fucking trapdoor container. Like stop.
Where the fuck?
Oh, Patrick, come on! What the fuck?
Well, you fucking retard. That actually scared me so much. We're just like fucking shit. Like, oh.
You're scared.
Yes, I
We
did.
thought you were in there.
Yeah, we're just looking here. You fucking retard.
Why did you say you were going for a piss?
I actually got fucking scared.
So
Let's go.
did I was like, what the fuck?
It's like the same story with Danny again.
Yeah, got lost in the straight train track.
Okay, if you think he's a dick, then like this video.
Yeah,
He
Patrick
is a fucking dick.
This is the thumbnail.
Oh Jesus.
We were out on a walk and we found a dick.
I just say, no, this wasn't planned. We just turned around and he was gone. Jesus Christ, I slipped.
What the, oh shit, I thought that was a syringe.
Okay, so if you had a YouTube channel, we could collab.
Well, yeah, but like it's hard to make a YouTube channel.
Not really. Like, if you're thinking about it, you just have to put in the work. That's all you have to do. And then, you basically upload the video.
It's
I
fucking
guess.
hard though because you know people laugh at you. Like remember
So-
one time someone called you like, well whatever it was.
You're gonna do the YouTube... Where the fuck is that prick gone again?
Bitch gone for another piss.
If he fucking isn't a piss, a dick. Where the fuck was he like... Why don't you just leave him?
Yeah, actually fuck that, I don't care.
Yeah, he's
He like
fucking retard.
he's like stopped, go off and like fucking walked out.
This is a nice building to... Jesus Christ, I almost thought. To explore. What the fuck? Fucking retard. Cunt. That's what you are. A cunt. It should go so bright now.
Actually, what the fuck?
What time is it?
It's hard to climb up the window.
Climb up. Well, there's a tree in the house. Hey, let's keep walking. Okay, Patrick's famous throw with a frisbee, well, a plate probably.
Oh, sexy, wait.
Girl, I love the way you whine it. Ooh, love the way you move your spine, yeah. Oh, slow motion. Something about the way she moves her hips, you know she drives.
Into the sunset. Ah! Oh, the plate hurt.
But that is slow motion.
Caught me in the dick.
Have that one space. Come on.
Come on you bear! Fucking stand in the tracks.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
Enough of fucking eggs. Go on, one hand.
Shit.
Oh, you broke it. Okay,
I go further with one hand.
You got to the same spot.
there's the building, just saying. Ow, I just got stabbed with a... Ah! Ah! Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be back in a sec. So, we were actually supposed to come here when it was pitch black. But we didn't realize it's gonna take us an hour to get here, even though it's like... Yeah. Well, you know, it's good enough we walked in the dark. And this isn't even this far away from my house, like... This is the town block things.
Stop, we just have to like cross over a bridge and like not fucking know.
Yeah, we still have to go back the other way, so... Parkour! Well, kind of. Anyways, this is the building.
Are we gonna go in, yeah?
If there's a way in, I'm not sure.
Anything for the video.
Yeah, so we jump through the roof.
Do a fucking, what's his name, Tom Cruise. Yeah.
Here's a place from even closer. I think... Was some of it like burned down? Oh, never mind, the winter came, so obviously Something's
No,
died.
I say the car just burned down or some shit, wasn't it?
Apparently the story is that there's a train that burned down with the passengers, and since people were coming here, they've been seeing like, I don't know, a train coming at them, but like what there wasn't a train. I don't know what the proper story is, but I swear it looked more creepier on the photos. It was still a pain in the ass to get here though.
How do you get up in that?
You knew that. Well, I'll go first. Recording stuff.
You don't hand me the phone.
No, I'm gone. Okay. Let's see this fucking cold.
Fuck off, age before beauty.
It's not really interesting, you this one.
Here.
That's a steering wheel.
I'll do a fucking Spider-Man across it.
Let me get him.
Remember the...
And
can't
it just, I want to fall in this thing.
Here, move.
It's so corroded.
I'll go, right? Move.
No, this is gonna fucking fall off.
It actually won't. This is stuff.
To go in, bro.
Ah, fuck, that's actually really cold.
I know.
Oh, shit.
Look at my fucking. Get your ass out of the camera. Spider-Man. How's the view up there?
It's actually decent. You can see into town from here. Yeah.
Oh. Well, I'm getting down.
Oh, fuck you. So you make me pull up here. Like, okay,
Hold it.
how did you get back?
Oh, fucking. I could have brought gloves. Oh, shit. You're gonna fucking slip, probably.
Van, where are you?
Ah, my ass on my fucking hands. Ben is stuck.
I'm not stuck here. You recording me?
Yeah.
Well, who else? I'm down here. Yeah. Let's go this way. Actually, no, let's go back to the other trailer. I know.
I'm still cool enough.
This one looks fucking cool. For some reason. I just go this way on all of the sticks. I fucking go through the pain.
Ah, what the hell?
Yeah,
Okay, you go first.
yeah, I'll go first. Yeah. This would be a great place to go if the killer clown still was here. No, the killer clown thing. Happy face. And I saw one on there. Oh my god, more ladders.
This one's gonna break. Fucking rest of the foot.
You go first.
Here, you go on now. Hi.
Hold.
Ah, I fucking water on me. Come on.
Did you piss yourself?
You got a bit scared.
Yeah, I'm scared.
Why did you zoom in, Ben?
Well, because the piss thing.
Anyone would be happy.
Well, it's a nice trailer.
This is Amy who's big up.
You wanna go down to like them gates there? See.
Sure,
then go
okay. Blurry. Okay, bear.
Are we getting breakfast when we go back to your house?
Yeah.
No, I don't think chocolate wraps will fill us up.
So I actually don't like them that much anymore.
What, chocolate wrap?
Yeah, too much of them.
Yeah, they're alright once in a while, but too many.
If you don't know what a chocolate wrap is, it's a special recipe. You get what is it called? Pita?
No, it's a fucking wrap.
Well, you get a wrap, then
Oh, sorry, tortilla.
tortilla. You get a tortilla and then put chocolate on it. And that's how you make a chocolate wrap.
Okay,
Okay, Ben, can you fit through that hole in there?
not a bit, can you?
I have an idea. Get out the flashlight. Oh, you see.
If he sees this, he's gonna drop it.
Oh yeah, go down.
Me?
Like this. Let's see what's in there. Nothing.
Is there actually anything in there?
I don't know. Don't think so. That was a waste of time.
Okay. No, but like, is there a way actually? Hang on.
No, there's not.
This is actually welded shut.
Yeah, obviously.
Here, look.
No, it's not. We tried. Well, you're not gonna get them there.
Fuck it, we have to try.
Ben, you won't.
So negative all the time. actually a big fucking brick wall there, so.
Come on. Hide the torch. We may have found an entrance. I'm not gonna fucking fall because of this shit. I slipped. Oh yeah, I told you it's probably welded. Let's go.
Oh, actually. Hang on.
Oh no,
Yeah.
a guy tried to go there and there's like loads of turns down there.
Really?
You don't want to jump there.
Torn thunder, supposedly. Torn? Yeah.
Yeah, Matthew went there and he said there was turns, so he didn't jump.
Well, they might be died down because it's fucking cold.
I like that building there. Fucking get killed. What? I think this is the way you like jump. Yeah, this is the way you jump the wall. Yeah, it's that lamp there.
Yeah.
Like, you see, look how high it is.
Oh yeah, sure, I know where we are.
Yeah. Look how high it is. And it's even higher than there. Imagine falling this height and then,
I thought you were actually going to fucking make us jump off.
yeah, jump off of that. Good luck.
No, when you were telling me about it, I didn't realize it was that fucking high.
It even gets higher. Hello.
Train station now. Look, I'll go down for a look.
You jump up here and then
Actually, Matthew, fuck it. You see this bit down there?
this bit, we go there. You can't go there. They're going to tell you to go back.
So you can't go down there?
Yeah, they're going to tell you to go back or they're going to call the cops. Hey, hold my thing.
Matchak, look down there where Patrick's going.
I don't care.
Here, hold that fucking thing. I'll go, pal.
No, you're going to tell you to go back. Okay, this is the way, and if you fall, you're fucking fucked. Here, hold the camera.
Where are you going?
What about you here? If you make it fall, because you're fucking blood.
How do? Oh, okay. Shit.
Okay. If it's easier. Well, what's easier?
Why are we going to the main train station?
That's the way out. Don't fucking fall, man.
Oh shit, you're actually holding it. Here, Patrick. Photographer extraordinaire.
Yeah, my hands are going to swollen.
You okay?
I bashed my hands against
If you missed that, he was attacked by a lion.
Yeah, fucking Ireland, just at a train station. But can you tug my thing in?
Just because you have 2,000 subs doesn't mean like you have to get people like eat your fucking food for you.
I'm afraid they're gonna go purple. It's a kind of bleeding.
Not too bad.
Okay, so this kind of gonna be it for the video. I'm kind of like it's kind of beating there. I'm gonna go purple later probably. It hurts like shit. It was like a fucking. We stayed up till 6 just to go, and it was a fail, wasn't it?
Kind of, yeah.
Fucking fail. So Ben, look at me. You wanna go in too? Yeah. So we've been walking like 2 hours almost. We got nowhere. Basically, we're now in town. My hand is fucked. And we're also gonna go home record another video. Haven't slept a single bit. Fuck I can't even talk. And it's, yeah, like 7:30, something like that.
Town is absolutely empty.
Yeah, look, it's absolutely empty. This is the first time I see no cars on this fucking road. There's usually like a traffic thing there. Anyways, if you like the video, please leave a like. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and say awesome, I guess. We went actually through loads of bother doing this. Anyways, thanks for watching, and like always, bye bye.
My feet are wet.
And actually, just before I end the video, I want to give Ben a shout out his YouTube channel. The link will be in the description. Erasable Pie, I think it is. Yeah, it is. And anyways, that's gonna be it for the video. Thanks for watching, and
Bye bye.
Yeah.